In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account with Etsy, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Wise account created and that you're logged into it. Now, let's get started. Once you have logged into your Wise account, you'll be greeted by the homepage where you can see an overview of your accounts. It's important to understand that this page provides a snapshot of all the currencies or accounts you hold within Wise. Look through your list of accounts and select the specific one you wish to connect to Etsy. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click on that account. Upon selecting your account, account, you'll be taken to a page that displays your balance. Underneath the balance, you'll notice an option labeled Account Details. Clicking on this will reveal all the important information associated with your account, such as your IBAN or account number, sort code, and other pertinent details. These are the pieces of information we need to provide to Etsy. Now, let's shift our focus to Etsy. From Etsy's homepage, find your cart, which should contain an item you previously added. This step assumes you've already shopped and are ready to proceed with a purchase. When viewing your cart, you'll be prompted to choose your payment method. In this instance, select Visa as your chosen option. As you select Visa and move forward, you'll encounter a Proceed to Checkout button. When you click on it, it will direct you to a section titled Choose Payment. This is the critical moment where you'll need to input the necessary data from your Wise account details. Carefully fill in all the specific information you copied from your Wise account. Double check to ensure accuracy because any mistake might lead to transaction issues later on. Once you've entered all the required information, proceed by clicking on Review Your Order. This final step will give you an overview of your purchase details, including your Wise payment setup with Etsy. Checking your order before finalizing it is crucial to confirm that everything is in order, from the shipping information to the payment details. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Wise account to your Etsy purchases. This connection streamlines your buying experience, making it more efficient and hassle-free, especially when dealing with international transactions. Congratulations on setting up a secure and convenient payment method. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.